Good morning, students. This video is the continuation of lesson number 7, the administration of the Swaraj. Page number 30, the military organization. There were two main divisions of the army of Maharaj: infantry and cavalry. The chief of infantry was Sarnobat, with officers like Havildar, Jumledar, etc. In cavalry, there were two types of cavalrymen, Shiledars and Baghis. Shiledar had their own horses and weapons, whereas Barghis were provided with horses and weapons by the state. The highest officer of cavalry was the Sarnobat. In the cavalry, Baghis were more in number. The ranks of the cavalry officers were similar to those of infantry officers. The highest officer, as I explained, in the cavalry was the Sarnobat. That is Nethoji Palkar, Rao Guzar, Hambi Rao Moite were some of the famous Sarnobat of the cavalry. Intelligence Department. To protect the Swaraj from enemies, an efficient intelligence department was required. The intelligence department provided precious and timely information about the movement of enemies. Bahirji Naik was the head of this department and was extremely skilled in his job. He collected accurate and detailed information about Surat before the raid on Surat. Forts. In the medieval age, forts were a great importance. They were used to keep an eye on the surrounding area. Food grains, war materials, ammunition, and military garrison could be kept there. Forts could provide shelter to the people when needed. There were about 300 forts in the Swaraj. Maharaj spent a considerable amount of money on building new forts and maintaining the old ones. The importance of forts in the foundation of Swaraj is well stated in the Ajnapatra. This kingdom was created by the late revered and exalted majesty forts alone. He built hill forts like Pratapgarh, Pavangarh, and Raigarh. There was a Kiledar, a Sabnis, and a Karkanis on every fort. Karkanis looked after the storage of food grains and the maintenance of war material on the fort. Sea forts. Sea forts were a great importance. Maharaj had built Sindhudurg at Malwan, Padmadurga in front of Rajapuri to counter the Siddhi power. Navy. Foreign powers like the Portuguese, the Siddhi, and the British created obstacle in expansion of the Swaraj. To curb their activities, Maharaj raised a navy. Ships like Gurab, Galbat, and Pal were built in the creek of Kalyan, Bhivandi, Vijayadurga, and Malvan. concern for the welfare of his subjects. Maharaj not only had a ambition of conquering enemy territories and establishing dominance, but also wanted to make his subjects independent. Okay, he was aware of the great joy of freedom. Maharaj was an efficient ruler and a watchful administrator who cared for the welfare of the people. This is clearly you can see in his administration of the state. Now, students, now you read in page number 30. Let's learn and give the answer in your notebook, and you have to read the lesson along with do you know and do this and the exercise in page number 32 complete. Thank you.